Chapter number 2, Applications of Derivatives. Dear students, we study derivative as rate measure. Example 8. The age of the cube is decreasing at the rate of 0.6 cm per second. Find the rate at which volume is decreasing when the age of the cube is 2 cm. We have to given that cube. Cube is all sides are equal. Suppose age of the cube is denoted by small a, then we have to given that rate of age of cube, that is dA by dt, equal to 0.6 centimeter per second. Age of cube is decreasing, therefore volume is also decreasing. Therefore take dA by dt equal to minus 0.6 centimeter per second. Find the rate at which its volume is decreasing. We have to find dV by dt, rate of change of volume. When the condition is age of the cube is 2 cm, that is we have to given A equal to 2 cm. Solution. Let A be the length of each side of the cube and V be its volume. Then we have to given that dA by dt equal to minus 0.6 cm per second. Also given A equal to 2 cm. Here negative sign represents rate of decrease. We have to find rate of volume, that is dV by dt. Therefore, we know that volume of the cube is V equal to A. V equal to A cube. Differentiating with respect to t, we get dV by dt equal to derivative of A cube is 3A square. Then multiple its derivative dA by dt. dV by dt equal to 3. A square, put the value of A, age of the cube, is equal to 2, that is 2 square. We have to given that dA by dt equal to minus 0.6 equal to 3. Take minus sign outside, minus 3. 2 square is 4 into 0.6. On multiplying, we get minus 7.2 centimeter cube per second. Thus, the volume is decreasing at the rate of 7.2 centimeter cube per second. Example number 9. A man of height 2 meters walks at uniform speed of 6 km per hour away from the lamppost of 6 meters high. Find the rate at which the length of the shadow is increasing. We have to given that man of height 2 meters walks uniform speed of 6 km per hour away from the lamppost of 6 meter height. Man of height is 2 meter. Suppose we take man Mn, his height is 2 meter. Also the lamppost is 6 meter, that is OA equal to 6 meter. We have to given man is move away from the lamppost. Suppose initial position of the man is here, then we have to given man is walk away from the lamppost. Take the position, that is Ma. Suppose the light on the man, then shadow is of the man is Mb, denoted by X. The distance between the lamppost and the man is denoted by Y. Solution. Let OA be the lamppost, OA is lamppost. Mn be the man, Mb equal to X, the length of the lamp of the shadow. OM equal to Y be the distance of the man from the lamppost at a time t. We have to find rate at which length of the shadow is increasing. Here is shadow is x. We have to find its rate of change of length of shadow is increasing. That is we have to find dx by dt. Here is we have to give man Mn equal to height 2 meter. OA equal to lamppost is 6 meter. Also given man moves away from the lamppost, that is we have to take distance is y. Therefore dy by dt is 6 km per hour. Therefore dy by dt equal to 6 km per hour, that is dy by dt. Man moves away from the lamppost. Mn equal to height of the man is 2 meter. OA, height of the lamp post is 6 meter given. From figure, we know that the triangle NMB and the triangle AOB are similar triangles. Triangle NMB and triangle AOB are similar triangles. Therefore, we take MB divided by MN equal to OB divided by OA. Put the values MB equal to X divided by MN equal to 2 equal to OB. OB distance is X plus Y divided by OA. OA equal to 6. Take the cross multiply 6x equal to 2x plus 2y. Suppose 2x, take on LHS, 6x minus 2x equal to 4x, 4x equal to 2y. Here is 4x equal to 2y. We find the rate of change of shadow, that is dx by dt. Therefore, take x on LHS, 4 divided by 4 on RHS, 2y divided by 4 equal to y divided by 2. Differentiating with respect to t, we get dx by dt equal to 1 by 2 is a constant term, take outside derivative of y is dy by dt. We know that dy by dt equal to 6. Therefore, dx by dt equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 6 equal to 3 km per hour. Thus, the length of the shadow is increasing at the rate of 3 km per hour. Example number 10. A ladder 10 meters long is leaning against a vertical wall. If the bottom of the ladder is pulled horizontally away from the wall at the rate of 1.2 meter per second, find how fast the top of the ladder is sliding down the wall when the bottom is 6 meters away from the wall. We have to given that ladder 10 meters long leaning against a vertical wall. Suppose AC is a ladder leaning against a vertical wall. Vertical wall is AB, denoted by Y. Ladder is length 10 meters. Given that the bottom of the ladder is pulled horizontally away from the wall at the rate of 1.2 meter per second. Here is bottom. Bottom of the ladder is pulled horizontally away from the wall. Here is wall. Suppose initial position of the ladder is AC. See, here is point. Pulled away from the wall. Then also the top of the ladder is sliding down. Top of the ladder is sliding down. We have to find how fast the top of the ladder is sliding down. That is, we have to find dy by dt. We have to given dx by dt. Dx by dt equal to 1.2 meter per second. Ladder horizontally away from the wall. Condition is the bottom is 6 meters away from the wall. Condition is bottom is 6 meters away from the wall. That is BC equal to 6 meter. That is x equal to 6 meter. Solution. Let AC be the ladder. BC equal to x be the distance of the bottom of the ladder from the wall. And AB equal to y be the distance of the top of the ladder from the ground. Then we have to given that dx by dt equal to 1.2 meter per second. Dx by dt. That is bottom of the ladder sliding away from the wall. AC equal to 10 meter. Ladder is 10 meter. BC equal to 6 meter. Here is condition. BC equal to 6 meter. The distance between wall and the bottom of the ladder. Here is in this triangle we use by Pythagoras theorem we get x square plus y square equal to AC square. We have to find dy by dt. Therefore take y square on LHS, x square take on RHS, that is minus x square. Y square equal to AC square minus x square. AC is the length of the ladder is equal to 10. Therefore we put the AC equal to 10. Y square equal to 10 square minus x square, denoted by equation 1. Here is y square equal to 10 square minus x square. Differentiate with respect to t, we get derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dt equal to 10 square is a constant term, its derivative is 0 minus derivative of x square is 2x into dx by dt. Here 2 cancel. We have to find dy by dt equal to minus x divided by y into dx by dt. We know the value of x condition, that is 6. Dx by dt we have to also given 1.2 divided by y. Find the y, that is the length AB. Substituting x equal to 6 in equation 1, we get x equal to 6. Here is 6 square. Y square equal to 10 square minus 6 square equal to 10 square equal to 100 minus 6 square is 36. 100 minus 36 equal to 64. Therefore, y equal to 8. Substituting y equal to 8 in equation second, we get dy by dt equal to minus 6 into 1.2 divided by 8 equal to, on multiplying, we get minus 0.9 meter per second. Therefore, the top of the ladder is sliding down at the rate of 0.9 meter per second. Here, top of the ladder is sliding down at the rate of 0.9 meter per second. Thank you.